What's the easiest way to save Task Manager's Processes tab as a CSV file? I want to get the information in the Task Manager's Processes tab into Excel. I want to do this because I am trying to make an image to deploy to a few workstation and need to see what I should include as running processes at startup, taking memory usage into account. So is there any way I can extract the data as a CSV or XLS file?
You can't do this using the Task Manager itself, but you can use the built-in task list command line program to do it. Open a command prompt, cmd.exe, and use the following commands. Type task list to output a list of all the currently running processes. To output as a CSV, type tasklist/faux CSV. To save the output of the command line to a file, add ngt filename.csv to the end of the command, for example, tasklist/faux CSV ngt %userprofile %desktop /tasks.csv. For full documentation on the various options for what to output, type tasklist ? into the command prompt.
One line in CMD. Replace lt username in GT to your username and run in CMD. For more documentation info, go here. This URL.